Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello, guys. How are you guys? How's your morning? Connecting my accounts right now. Okay. So let's see what we have today. So I'm bullish. I would like to see break above previous week high level. I would like to see break above previous week high level and even higher. So just for now, my weekly objective remains higher to monthly open on ES. And maybe I'm asking too much, but I don't remind to see 20K to test. Maybe I'm asking too much, which is also possible. So this night was pretty much just move up. Lots of failure swings so far. The question if it's trying to build low resistance for us. And if so, this means we might get. And then again, I mean, like, I'm bullish for this week, especially for the first half of this week. I would like to see monthly open on ES because Nikki took this level already, which makes sense to me to bounce higher. I know, like, lots of points away from monthly open so far, but what I like is the test of monthly open. So I'm bullish for now, for this week, for the first half of this week. Once we can get this level, I would like to see drop. So I'm not looking for all-time high or something like this. But for today, I'm looking for previous week high taken on both yes and Q. Gold, what we have on gold. So I'm also keeping my eyes on gold right now and would like to see how we can react from this sweep, because if it wants to like continue going lower with reaction from this sweep, we must expect 5-minute order block to go right here. Otherwise, it will bounce higher. Then to buy set liquidity, I have to buy set liquidities right here on lower time frame. Then drop, potential drop retracement back to discount. That's my plan right now for gold. For CL, I was trying to analyze this. Don't really like anything so far. So we have our sweep right here, as you can see, right here. Right now we have hourly sweep right here. The question is how we can hold this, because if it wants to like be broken, where's my CL chart? What is going on? Okay. If it wants to be broken right here, this liquidity sweep should go higher, break this FOR sweep. So just for now, as long as we're trying to hold this hourly sweep, I'm more bearish than bullish on CL, but cannot see any setups yet. It's very important to see how we can, once market opens, how we can play with this level right here, with this buy side liquidity level right here. Pretty much heavy 5-minute chart right now. Absolutely don't like anything so far. But on gold, keeping my eyes how we can hold this hourly sweep right here. And if we can drop right here. So even if gold wants to go higher, I really would like to see we breaking below internal sell side liquidity level and then possible reactions. That's what I like so far. But we'll see. Yeah, looks more better, CL and gold. But yeah, previous week high level will be nice to see. Oh, previous week high taken on a yes already. Okay, before market open. Don't really mind to see previous week high on NQ as well. What is DPT? What this means? Hoping to play for DPT. What's this? Sorry, I don't know. Abbreviation. What is this? What this means? Hello and good morning, guys. Hello and good morning. So that's very interesting what will happen on gold. We really would like to see internal sell side liquidity taken. We're trying to hold 5-minute order block so far. Doesn't want to displace yet. Because it doesn't want to displace, most likely will bounce to buy side liquidity, then possibly drop. So we will see. Yeah, previously, yeah, I got it. Just I saw the comment with D P T. I have no idea what this means. Well, looks interesting, but looks more bullish than bearish right now. We have SMT, not strong SMT yet. Overall, once again, for the first half of the week, I would like to see higher, which will can be manipulation. And possibly Wednesday will offer Wednesday reversal profile. That's my plan right now. If we get this, of course. So basically, yeah, manipulation up for possible Wednesday reversal. I mean lower, but we will see. Okay, connected accounts. Let me see on MNQ because I want to try to trade gold, but nothing interesting so far. That's 15-minute chart. That's 30-minute chart. We have, as you can see, ugly but 30-minute liquidity sweep. What happened right here? So once again, we got ugly 30-minute liquidity sweep. Price traces 3-minute order block. That's pretty much it. SSMT. What this means? Like double S. Lots of different abbreviations. So we will see how it goes. Market is open already. Considering this huge sweep right here, price already trace to this 3-minute order block, but I would like to keep my eyes on this 3-minute order block as well, not from here to here. So I'm going to keep my eyes right now first at the potential retracement to 3-minute order block. That's very important order block, which I consider as support so far. Means sequential SMT is like same as SMT. Okay. Exactly same order block on, yes, right here. Just going to extend this and keep on my chart as potential support level. Also decide to test interesting indicator SMT right here. It highlights lots of different SMTs, but guys, so far so good. I was trying to backtest this for one day yesterday, but seems good. Did you try this SMT indicator? Because it's on the indicator that highlights SMT in real time. Because I was trying to use different SMT indicators and lots of them was like in hindsight. I mean, like, yeah, it created SMT. I need to wait for 20 more minutes. Oh, it highlighted SMT finally. But this indicator highlights this in real time. So once created swing, boom, it highlighted this SMT, which I like. Let me know if you try this because so far so good. Okay, interesting pump right here. Kind of not in sync right now. Kind of like not in sync right now. Yeah, I found this indicator yesterday because I was like, maybe sometimes I'm missing SMT, and I was like, okay, maybe I will try. I will give it another try because once again, I tried before, like maybe 6 months ago, to use SMT indicators, and they never highlight this at the right time. Yeah, exactly, Fadi. Yeah. So we will see how it goes. I just want to test this together with you guys today. We will see how it goes once again. ES looks so strong right now. Like, look at this bullish trend. Yeah, I'm gonna backtest this today as well. Just interesting what will happen. I mean, I don't really need to use indicators at all. Just interesting to test this. Trying to hold a bigger SMT since NQ failed to take previous week high level for now, which makes sense to retrace to the streaming order block on my chart. We will see. We will see. What about gold? Gold consolidating, ugly. Absolutely not in sync. I mean, absolutely different charts right now. But what I like is the streaming order block. This indicator, it's just SMT indicator. I'm not entirely sure if it's a good indicator because I tested this yesterday. It was good. How it goes, I don't know. Like, I will see. So considering this low resistance, so I do like this. But we really need to break the streaming order block first. Look at ES, look at NQ. Completely out of sync right now. I did not change settings, I believe. Just colors. But that's all I have. I believe I did not change anything. Like, yeah. So we just entered the streaming order block. Amazing. So now the question if it wants to break below this support level. And when we can drop at this point, we have 1 hour flat candle. So that's interesting drop so far. With SMT at previous week high level. Okay. Okay. Yes, created inversion fair value gap right here. The streaming order blocks also looks good to me. Yeah, in Q week right now, comparing yes. The question is if we get this move down as well as on NQ, because the streaming order block looks good to me, guys. What do you think about this? First presented fair value gap, we will see. We created BPR, right? So it doesn't want to close so far. Let me delete this for now. It doesn't want to close so far below the streaming order block. But my concern right now, yes, still has a streaming order block, which will be nice to see it testing this order block as well. A bit choppy right now because in Q week, yes, strong. Yes, doesn't really want to drop yet. Lots of people bullish today, by the way. Yeah. Look at this. It really doesn't want to close below the streaming order block, which is strong order block at this point. I mean, I absolutely don't care about the this week right here. I need to see the closure to invalidate this. To go there, probably to this flat candle. We got retest of this first presented fair value gap on ES. How many points we are away from the order block? 16 points solid. Again, doesn't really want to break below the streaming order block yet. Oh, that's like BPR right here, right? And we have first presented. Oh, we have first presented right here. So basically, both ES and Q trying to just back this level so far. Okay, okay. Yeah, and Q week is strong, so looking at the ES only so far. Good morning, everyone who just joined. Good morning. See this SMT, like, that's interesting. I saw this yesterday as well, like lots of lines right here. It's interesting. It's interesting. But yes, highlighted SMT. See this like in real time. Sorry guys, I'm going to maybe make this lines a little bit less visible. I do need confirmation and validation, I believe. Maybe like this, but so we will see. Yeah. Um, let's see if we create inversion for a value gap on 5-minute chart. So my interest will be at this level right here. Let's see if we create this inversion because pretty much happy so far. I don't really like this to execute. Okay. Okay. So strategy, like I'm in a trading order blocks. That's stupid SMT in my opinion because right now what I can see in Q weak and yes strong. So I don't really like to consider this SMT right now because it's completely out of sync. Delete invalidation. Yeah. Actually, I have the settings on. See. Okay, we're going to test this together. We will see how it goes. So I'm still trying to hold this BPR on yes, which I like. Doesn't want to close below 50% of the streaming order block, which is crazy. But what I would like to see is like potential. If I want to trade, I'm going to trade yes only. Nothing yet. Absolutely chappy right now. Still doesn't want to close below 3-minute order block, which is absolutely crazy once again. Okay, going to highlight this first presented on my chart as well on NinjaTrader. Like this. Okay. Still doesn't want, that's absolutely crazy. Still doesn't want to close below 3-minute order block. Not going to short this. Because this acts as strong support. Especially if I see like lots of attempts to close below and failure, it's strong support right here. Yeah. Absolutely crazy to short this. Just for now, in my humble opinion. So inverted was presented fair value gap. Not like inverted. We got reclaimed fair value gap, right? NinjaTrader always lags. Why? I mean, I don't have any issues with this. Looks good to me. Just for now. Yeah, previous week high level, absolutely obvious target. And that's my target for this day, for today, but we will see. We will see once again. Trying to stay away right now, not going to chase the price. 100 points range. Yeah, like classic range, right? Yes, strong. Like, really doesn't want to drop. Previous week high so close right now. Absolutely in love with this reaction from the steam and order block. See? See this week spread. I absolutely don't care about like break below this level. If no closure, no interest in shorts at all. That's what I want to say, guys. So when we were the first present fair value gap on Q, like with strong displacement, means big and like a huge range. So how I decided to pick this order block? So issue with order block right here. So I could, of course, I could just pick this huge 3-minute order block and say like, what's wrong with this? Absolutely nothing, right? But I'm going to explain right now about 3-minute order block right now. But I saw we have another order block, like maybe not perfect example or like great to say it's order block because it's order block inside order block, right? But from what I saw, yes, we already did trace to this order block right here. But what happened with this order block? We never did trace to this order block, right? So, and what made sense to me is like we're going to, yes, back to the 3-minute order block. But what we have, what level we have? Order block right here. Makes sense? So basically, I anticipate to see like mitigation, or how to say this properly, like mitigation of this order block before continue going higher. But I would like to keep in mind, I still would like to see simply test of this huge order block right here. But since big range, I would like to find level inside this order block. That's pretty much it. Only level that I found was like fair value gap and order block. Yeah, if I can say like unmitigated, I don't know if it's like good to say unmitigated, but yes, I will call this like unmitigated. Sorry if I say this wrong, but I like this word. Yeah, basically like unmitigated order block. So we got reclaimed fair value gap, which also first presented fair value gap. Previous week high taken. At least something good happened. Okay, gold dropping. It did not create inversion. Are you serious? I mean, it's not even funny. But yes, idea is remains the same. So I would like to see we taking out this sell side liquidity right here. So guys, yeah, I was out from my computer this weekend, so I will send coupon codes today. So I have forcing division higher, but we'll see. Seems like it was trying to just pick this SMT, which was crazy, but still SMT. You asked me about like if I have any problems with my health. So I'm sick like 99% of like summer, spring, winter, fall. I don't know why. But yes, sometimes I have this problem. Not sometimes, like most of the time. Oh my god. But yeah. Have some kind of issue. I'm not going to argue with this. I only trade micros and gold. Not going to lie. Only micros and gold. Like 5-7 micros. It's just not bad, right? Still going higher. I mean lower on gold. Be disappointed failed to offer inversion fair value gap early, but it's okay. Let's see. Just created this inversion. The issue is we're so close to the sell side liquidity level. Annoying? Yes, it is. Okay. I'm not going to like, I guess, project this SMT indicator on. Yes, it doesn't make sense because we're looking for SMT between ES and Q. Negative feelings? I mean, I'm fine. I'm fine. Don't worry. But thank you for letting me know. SMT indicator? Yeah, I already sent it in the chat. It's right here. You late? Oh, you didn't miss nothing. So you missed nothing, guys. If you just joined, we're testing SMT indicator so far. Oh, yeah, of course. Let's talk about gold because in Q right now, just so far straight move up. So I was analyzing charts yesterday on gold, and what I saw, let's start with weekly. Let's analyze together. So what I saw yesterday, basically sweep. I was like, okay, interesting where this weekly candle is going to open. Yes, we got sweep. And it doesn't mean like I would like to be extremely bearish at this point, like not really. But once I saw the sweep, it makes sense for me to at least try to retrace where we have small weekly fair value gap. What this can mean? Potential move to internal range liquidity, right? So it's like 100 points away on gold. Obviously, I am not sure if it's going to happen today or I mean this week or next week. But from what I see on weekly, we got sweep. It's all-time high, right? And we have internal range liquidity, which is weekly fair value gap. So, yes, I do like to see lower, but I'm not bearish. I just would like to see external to internal. Back on daily chart, we also got sweep right here. We got interesting gap right here. Oh, forgot to show you one more thing right here. I highlighted 50% of this week right here. And remember what I said when we like time frame alignment, we got weekly sweep. We want to find 4-hour order block. And coincidentally, 4-hour order block right here lines up with 50% of weekly week. So I was thinking about this like if we want to go lower, not this week, maybe like next week, maybe next month, like June. I don't know, it's weekly chart. So what I want to see, I would like to see an attempt to bounce somewhere right here. Maybe I'm asking too much, but what I would like to see, potential attempt to offer reaction retracement to this 4-hour order block. We got inversion right here. But once again, it's like too early to talk about this because I cannot find long opportunity yet. But I don't really mind to see maybe something like this. Just considering potential like weekly sweep for our order block. So that's what I see so far from what I analyze, still trying to respect for our fair value gap. So I was thinking, yes, my idea will be correct if we invert this for our fair value gap, bounce to for our order block, and give us strong reaction down. What do you think about this, guys? Like, just like idea. Let's say we invert this for our fair value gap, bouncing to 50% of weekly week for our order block, and trying to give us reaction down. Hmm? What do you think about this? That's my plan for gold. So we will see, yeah. Because I was thinking about swing trading on gold, but that's my plan. So I was trying to build the plan yesterday. So what happened right here, back on NQ? That's too much to ask for, right? You mean just drop all the way down to weekly fair value gap? Yeah, possibly. I mean, it's totally possible. So I'm not going to argue about this. Just need to find solid setup on high time frame right now to short this. Because seems like time distortion, right? A bit tricky in my opinion. Lower first, you mean you would like to see we taking out internal range liquidity on weekly, which is weekly fair value gap. I mean that's possible. I'm not going to argue about this. Then bouncing higher to 4-hour for order block and 50% of weekly week. That's possible, just not good for my potential swing trade. I really want to like get like strong short setup. You will see. Anyway, it doesn't look bad. So what happened on NQ? Both took this week high level so far, offered small 1-minute inversion. We did trace down to this 5-minute breaker block and 5-minute fair value gap. We don't have any fair value gaps on 5-minute chart on ES yet. Pretty much we have mitigation block right here. And price failed to retrace this mitigation block as well. So 30-minute candle looks ugly on NQ, but bullish on ES. Extremely bullish on ES. Strange on NQ. So basically, I would like to see we going lower on gold first. I mean, okay. Also good plan. We got minor sweep right here. Not significant, just straight move up with straight move down right now. So we have, is it flat candle? Yeah, we have flat candle right here on 1-minute chart, which can be potential, like, hard to call this like liquidity level, but let's call this liquidity level. So basically a flat candle right here, and we took flat candle low right here. Solid reaction so far. We don't have 15-minute fair value gap to consider potential inversion right yet. So, like, imagine if for our chart gold will bounce to for our order block first. I mean, still possible. Not sure, like 100%, but still possible. So yeah, you can just place your short from there, or if you want to find like safe entry, you can use propulsion block that is going to form right after this. So yes, basically yes, you can wait for order block, another for order block to enter the short. If it makes sense. So we took this flat candle, waiting for potential inversion fair value gap. If you don't mind, I'm going to delete this in first presented fair value gap. I don't need this anymore. So watching if we invert this 5-minute fair value gap. So yeah, at the beginning of Steam, I said my target for today is going to be previous week high level. So right now we took previous week high level and we have some low resistance liquidity lower. So which lines up, I would say, with New York midnight open. So yeah, right now I don't really mind to see like attempt to offer like strong short idea for me. Like this. So we have flat candle, we have New York midnight open, and we have 3-minute order block right here. So I would like to see we taking out this. So I don't really trade fair value gaps. I do trade order blocks. So let's guys try to find potential short setup. Of course you may get this. So just want to say guys, ideally I would like to short. Just need to get entry. That's my plan right now. I will highlight OT. I mean inversion fair value gaps, order blocks. Yes, I don't trade fair value gaps itself. Let's see if we get short opportunity. So far, just straight move down. For short, 1 hour flat candle and New York midnight open. So basically, it's going to be 19,416 and EMS. Give me 1 second. Guys, give me 1 second. I just accidentally And so yeah, I accidentally hide my chat with you guys. Give me 1 second. What is going on? So my target is going to be 416 and 403. So you guys, 416.75 and 403.25. That's my target. So what else do we have? We have another fair value gap. Fair value gaps right here. So my target for today was previous week high level. I said that at least 5 times. And right after this, I expect to get like reaction, retracement. So, but it's not my final target for the day. Just straight move down? Seriously? Not disappointed, no setup at all for me to short something. I would like to see the tracement somewhere right here. Stop loss will be above this high right here, then short. Maybe I'm asking too much for the tracement. It's 10 a.m. Yes, tested this water block right now. Depends. So maybe it's just going to drop right now. Leave some liquidity for us. So what I see so far, where is my high time frame candles? We got 30-minute liquidity sweep. Let's switch on 3-minute chart to find order block. So we don't have inside order blocks right here, but we have something. Yeah, I would like to see the tracement somewhere right here. The question is if you made a trace. On 15 in the chart, it can be potential breaker block setup, but once again, we will see because price offered straight move up and straight move down right after this. Right now, just waiting for the tracement to jump. Because right here, for me personally, if your model was presented right here, I'm happy for you. For me personally, nothing was presented for me personally once again. I'm not going to chase. I'm not going to try to pick the top because I anticipate to get something. Nope, it's not for me. Let's wait. I'm going to wait. If you see setup, jump the trade. I'm so happy to see it left levels lower. What is, I already asked, what is DPT? What this means? Look at this reaction on the order block right here. See this? From on yes. On 15-minute chart, it offered immediate rebalance. On 5-minute chart, we have inversion. So let's see if we made a trace to this inversion. Maybe some sort of like unicorn on 1-minute chart right here. Let's see. That's why I don't want to look for entry in discount right now, because stop loss right is going to be huge. So we got 5-minute inversion right here. We have OT slightly higher than 50% of this inversion. I hope to get set up right here. Not right here, slightly higher. I'm not saying like DPT doesn't work, because I simply I simply have no idea what this means. It's a deviation, I believe, but I have no idea what this means once again. It can work, of course. So I like this reaction from the minute order block, but now it makes sense to go to New York midnight open at least. Yeah, I hope to get short for silver bullet as well. So we will see. Because last week was hard for me. Like got lots of, not lots of losses, but got losses. Was trying to short on Thursday and Friday. Didn't work in my favor, so I will probably size down this week. Because maybe last week something was wrong with my bias, but not going to lie, I really consider it like drop on Thursday and Friday. So it is what it is. So let's see how it goes. But that's like reality of trading, so it's impossible to take only win trades. Losses means losses, so it's part of the game, and our task is to manage these losses, right? Properly. So I wasn't sad with my losses at all. Like, part of the game, no complaints. I only have fun at accounts. I don't have evaluations. I mean, I already passed them. So do we have some sort of SMT? Not really, right? created, if I can say like I created equal highs so far. Yes, I do trade this. So what we can see so far, if not mistaken, yeah, we took like internal sell side liquidity so far, right? Right here. Price trying to give us reaction, but I believe we have some levels lower. So just my target area, if I can call this like target area, is right here. Now, hope to get the trade back to premium to offer setup for me to short. Only because it left some key levels lower. I'm not asking like, for a huge drop to the sell side or old inversion for a value gap. No. I don't really mind to see just New York Midnight Open tested on both ES and Q. Because mostly price traded above this level. And guys, if you go on 1 hour chart, why I would like to see flat candle as what happened right here. So basically New York Midnight Open is also flat candle. That's why I don't really mind to see move lower, because we don't have manipulation below New York Midnight Open. And I know some people consider not daily candle, for example, daily candle manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but New York Midnight Open. And if we want to consider this, so far we only traded above open, right? So we don't really have move below this level yet. So in distribution can be to New York Midnight Open. I believe, I hope to get this. And that's why I would like to look for potential short to New York Midnight Open, but I'm not looking for like lower than New York Midnight Open, but also I'm not saying we cannot go lower than New York Midnight Open. We'll see. Let's try to be patient. That's it. Guys, agree with my idea, or you have different opinion about this? Share with me. We will compare. So we have minor SMT so far. Right here. Right? Where's my blue color? Perfect blue color right here and right here. Yes, we do have 15-minute breaker block slightly higher. You know nothing, but what about to learn something? You think you'll go higher simply because we don't have market structure shift, right? Probably to new day opening gap. Yeah, possibly. Possibly. I'm like conservative trader looking for conservative targets only. So we have SMT right now. What I would like to see. So we tested weekly open. Maybe I would like to see we creating breaker block right here. If it doesn't want to bounce higher than weekly open. We'll see so. Hello. Yes, exactly. 15-minute breaker block will be nice to see. It's right here. But I already explained my view on the short. Like, 15-minute breaker block. We have same on 5-minute. We don't really have 5-minute breaker block. At least, yeah, I mean, we have this, but it looks absolutely ugly. 15-minute breaker block sounds better, right? Close to this level so far. Oh, please, give us some setup. We'll probably, if it wants to create some sort of idea to short right here, I will probably put my stop loss above this fair value gap. Still trying to hold SMT. This blue box is my target area. I'm waiting for setup as well, so you're not alone. I already explained why I would like to look for short, like 3 times. Tell us why you would like to long. Oh, I'm not market maker. I took 2 losses in a row like last week. And cannot guarantee like profit today, so we will see. Maybe it's worst. No, it's not worst months is in my trading, but October was worst months in my trading. We will see how this month is going to end. We will see. But I'm not going to lie. April, for some people, it was easy month, but not for me. But I'm not going to complain about this, so it's part of the game. Just need to manage losses properly, and that's it. I would like to see New York midnight open. The question is if it may present opportunity for us. Which manipulation? I don't have manipulation projections. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, we did not hit for standard deviation. No, it's still higher. No, we did not hit anything. My projection's higher. So what I'm waiting for right now, ideally, I would like to see price taking out 15-minute breaker block. It's okay, don't worry. And we enter in this OT, look for short and premium. I hope so. How it goes, I don't know, but I hope to get something good today. Or as you can see, I had this blue box, which can be potential breaker block. I'm going to delete this water block. I don't need this anymore. Flat candle. This candle simply doesn't have wick. Like wickless candle. Wick doesn't have wick. Like flat candle. Call this like whatever you like. A bit chappy right now. I see we created another like ugly SMT. I remember like on Friday we got something similar to this. It was absolutely stupid to trade this. But I journaled this, like I still consider my 2 attempts to short on first day and Friday like good attempts. Like follow my plan, trade it. Some sort of like low resistance right here to take this low right here. The question is if it's going to be like, you know, like breaker block, right? But preferably to bounce higher and look for opportunities there. So I'm going to trade small size this week due to my bad performance last week, just to find see consistency again. Just need to see this consistency again. I'm going to trade small size. I even like I guess it was Friday or Thursday, I even prepared the plan for myself. Like I even printed this, how I need to manage my losses. So because sometimes I'm going to forget and then I'm going to reread this. I'm going to share PDF with you guys as well. So it helps sometimes, to write something on paper and read this and read this and read this again. Over and over and over again. It's like 9 pages, guys. I'm going to share with you. Oh, so you can see it highlighted as SMT as well. Okay. Okay. It's 9 pages. Good to read sometimes. Once again, good to read this as well. I'm going to share today. Just need to create a good PDF. Too easy to read because I did like a little bit messy right now. So one more SMT right here. Absolutely choppy right now. Accumulating before moving. Like, so my bias for today, if you just joined, I want to see previous week high taken. I already took this level. What I want to see, if I get this move, that's going to be brilliant. If it's not going to go to 15-minute breaker block, but instead it will hold this SMT with absolutely, like, it's going to be absolutely ugly. And I remember on Friday, I took something similar. So I took like short somewhere right here. I get stopped, but it's like C minus setup for me. But from here, like, sounds like more A setup. I don't know. Like, that's a great question why you cannot download this. Yeah, I mean, I will try anyway. As I said, I'm going to trade with small size, so loss is not going to hurt me. But from what I see so far, guys, I see we got open, move higher, which means ideally manipulation to distribute lower. And guys, I would like to say, if you like have several losses in a row, for example, I did like 2 losses in a row last week, it doesn't mean you don't know how to trade. It doesn't mean like something wrong with your model. So it happens. It's impossible to win every single day. So keep in mind that if it fails like yesterday, 2 days ago, if it's going to fail today, it doesn't mean like you don't know how to trade. Don't give up. So it just happens. Because for example, when I was analyzing my trades yesterday, like from Monday to Friday, I was like, okay, even in hindsight, I would took this trade. Even in hindsight. So I still trust my plan. I still like execute my plan, and I don't really care if it's going to be loss or win. I would say not lots of traders that like have lots of followers on Twitter will show this because they have 101% win rate, right? So losses is a part of the game, and it's important to show them, right? And sometimes I'm not going to land. Sometimes I'm happy that I can show this. So because I analyze this, I share my plan, I executed my plan, and yes, 100, yeah, exactly. And yes, sometimes I'm going to be wrong. Should I be disappointed with this? Like nothing wrong with this. 101%, yeah. Exactly. That's absolutely ugly so far. Let's check. Oh, absolutely ugly. Absolutely ugly. Trying to deject right now. Oops, I didn't need to log this. I would say order block on yes is going to be once we can close below this level right here. Below this candle right here. Yes, distribution lower will be ideal for me. The question is if we bounce to 15-minute breaker block first. Please give us something right here. I like how it's trying to bounce right now. Please, just slightly higher. Give us this perfect 15-minute breaker block right here. We have OT inside this level, please. Be nice with us. You bullish? I mean, okay. We have SMT at lows, right? Like bigger SMT. But the question is why they decided to leave New York midnight open then. If it's going to bounce higher, probably I'm not going to take any trades. This means I just don't have like targets higher. I don't have like bias higher right now. Previous week high is all I want to see. Okay, watching right here. Yes, we got SMT right here. Press trying to respect this. We got inversion right here. Such ugly for me. Because I don't know, like I feel like we have only manipulation, right? Okay, guys, if you see buy opportunity, buy. I allow you. You got my permission. You can long. I'm not going to do this. Lots of SMTs, right? I was looking for long to previous week high level only for today. I said that for today, my target is previous week high level. That's pretty much it. Trying to build the plan right now. If we close below this level right here, should drop, I believe. Let me see. Let me see. Absolutely ugly this. If it's going to close below my blue line, it can be valid trade. Doesn't want to close yet. So idea once again, if it wants to close, I will look for potential short. I would say yeah. So that's going to be my first attempt right here. Once we can close. Doesn't want to close yet. Annoying. Hate to wait for too long. Trying. Trying, but still not. Doesn't want to close again. It's not order block. I mean, it's order block as well, but right here I'm looking for like a volume candle. Looks like time distortion right here with break above distortion high. Let's see, yeah, if my displays or something like this. Let's see. Um, trying to displace right now. We got the closure and no detest yet. If so, yeah, it's going to be painful. But it is what it is. So let me pick leader account. Leader account right here is okay. Trying to let's see. Yeah, we got closure on NQ as well. So as you can see, okay, while we're waiting, as you can see, we got a test of 3-minute order block right here. So trying to retrace right now. Let's see if we may create displacement immediately to jump. So retraces. Okay, waiting for displacement to jump the trade. That's it. That's my plan right now. So we got fair value gap right here. Interesting reaction on ES from this first presented fair value gap, right? Where is first presented on ES? I mean on Q. Right here? Nope. Oh yeah, look at this, by the way. NQ also respected first presented fair value gap. So we got it as that I was waiting for. Right now, waiting for displacement and probably will try this. It's not annoying, by the way, trying to follow the plan. Important levels remains lower. We got hourly sweep. We got 5-minute order block already. So let's see. Looking for short. And it really fine to be wrong. Not going to like hurt me, you know. Trying to displace right now. Let's see. Let's see. Wait. You're trying to tell us like iOS created Ninja Trader for what? So we can trade on MacBook? Can you confirm this? Because that's going to be actually great news. Um, um. Guys, nothing. Waiting. Oh, that's interesting. What's the problem to create this on MacBook, to trade on MacBook? Just tell us. We never understand this. Yeah, I know I can use this app. Yeah, I need to install this. I just was trying to understand what's the problem to create just app to trade there is. Because I had to buy like Samsung laptop, Windows laptop to trade on my laptop. Because before this I got MacBook and I was like, that's amazing. So what I want to say, that's amazing. That's amazing. Of course, that's amazing. So guys, I'm not in yet and waiting still. Pretty much ugly price action. I'm going to come back in 1 minute. Give me 1 second. Oh, I missed nothing. Okay. You long already? Long already. Okay. Good luck. So I would say your long will be high probability once you can close above this level right here. Absolutely ugly so far. Absolutely don't like anything. We inverted this fair value gap only yes, right? We did chase this inversion so far. I'm not going to chase, you know, because Probably I was trying to chase something on Friday, but like 50-50. And not in perfect condition. So right now I'm going to wait for like A plus setup and I will enter. I'm not in distant longs yet. So probably we'll stay away for now. For now. Just for now. Oh, wait. We just got 30 minutes sweep right here. Why didn't I see this? So, classic seek and destroy so far. My perfect day when I lose a lot. Okay, let's check. On the far chart, we got 6 a.m. sweep, right? Considering this, it did not go anywhere. We got buy side liquidity sweep. Okay, what next? It failed to retrace to 15-minute order block, right? So that's strange. Look at this flower candle right here. We got sweep, we got sweep, we got sweep, but the action based on the sweep was from to nowhere so far. I'm not doing anything right now. I want to see short opportunities to take New York Midnight Open, honestly, but looks absolutely ugly. I'm not going to sit here like for hours to wait for stupid setup. I mean, like for at least to take something. But right now, I see nothing, unfortunately. Which is annoying, but part of the game. Also, yes, looks like respected this breaker block right here. I'm in Q as well. You got one more inversion right here. Do we have any SMT? Not really, right? Like right here. You know, issue with short. So I anticipate to get immediate displacement, never offered. That's why I'm like, I decided to slow down and try to stay away from chasing. I never saw displacement. Displacement equals speed, never offered this. So, best signal for me to continue sitting on my hands. I just don't want to chase. Because I'm not going to, I feel when there's a big chance to take a loss. When I feel like there's a small chance to take the loss, but still we have small chance. I will take this trade. But right here, I feel like it's going to be a bigger chance than I want to see. That's why I'm like, no, thank you. Simply, yeah, I anticipate to get distribution lowers. I simply, what we have is just consolidation, nothing more. I mean, like, if I can protect myself from taking, like, shit trades, I will do this. I would say. And Q slowly trying to take 15-minute breaker block, but still trying to defend area of this fair value gap. So basically still trying to defend this better setup of this 1-minute fair value gap. Stupid. Currently inside seeking this true profile, unfortunately. For me. Okay, 5 more minutes and I'm going to be done for AM session. Not going to chase. I cannot see hyperability setups yet. What's the point of chasing the price? 0 point for this. Mm. Guys, once again, if you just joined, I'm going to share perfect PDF. I created this on Friday. So basically how to handle losses. Like 9 pages of PDF. You can read this. So I would say I collected like my feeling when I take losses and how I should accept these losses. It should help you. It's not like 9 pages only. We'll share today. You can download this if you want. So it helped me like to write this on paper because I mean, I know this, I keep this in my mind, but sometimes it's best idea to write this on paper and read and read it and read it again. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. We'll create like PDF and we'll share today. Okay? I believe I can attach link in comments right here and probably we'll share on Twitter as well. So right now I have zero interest in trading, just simply nothing I like. I don't want to recommend to take stupid trades because I don't want to chase simply because I need to take the trade on Steam. It's stupid to do. Right now I see, for me, nothing. I'm not going to chase and I don't want to recommend you to chase the price as well with me. I hope it makes sense. I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't want to take the trade with you, but not worth it. Not worth it. I will create PDF and I will share in comments right here. So I mean, I finish the Steam and I will attach link to this PDF in comments. And I guess I will share this on Twitter as well. So you will be able to download this. Probably it's going to be Google Drive link. So everyone can download this. I mean, once again, I always say, if you see your setup, take it. Just, I don't see anything good right now. Not going to take it. Okay, guys, probably I'm done for this AM session. I will create PDF right now, right after Steam. And instead of wasting time on this price action, I highly recommend to read something useful. And you can read this. For financial freedom. Okay. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Not sure about PM session, just not sure how price action is going to be. But for tomorrow, we will I hope we are going to take perfect trade, but not going to promise anything. But once again, last 2 weeks wasn't easy for me. So guys, I will see you tomorrow. We'll share the PDF soon. Within the next hour. A full margin. Okay, guys, if you want so long, good luck. I hope it's going to the moon for you. Not for me. Not going to risk my accounts on this. If I had evaluation, I could try, but I don't have evaluations. I'm not going to trade this on funded accounts. Okay, guys, don't make stupid mistakes. Follow your plan. Once again, don't make stupid mistakes. If you cannot find setup, don't take anything. Like, don't trade anything. Yeah, that's what I want to say. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Don't make silly mistakes like me. Okay, guys, bye.